Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. These are short division tutorial videos as episode number 2, and this is our first question 445 divided by 5. And in this video I'm not going to explain any basic rules, because if I started to explain the rules the video will be going to very long. Okay, so let's start. This is my mark dot. I'm going to change my mark dot here, this one. Okay, so place your dividend on the Abacus 455. Okay, now our dividend is on the Abacus, you don't need to watch there. Okay, divisor, and these are our dividend. So here first take 4. Divisor is bigger than dividend. In this case you have to take 2 digits, 4 and 5, 45. 45 divided by 5, your answer is 9. 5 nines are 45. Okay, and change your rod, and you have to take this 5. 5 divided by 5, your answer is 1. 5 1 is 5. Okay, finished, and your answer is 9 and 1. 9 1 91. Okay, let's do another question. Here I have to tell you, please do not comment on my English language. I can speak 4 languages, but I am not good enough, but I can teach you this. Okay, please believe me on that. My episodes are in 4 different languages: English, Nepali, Hindi and Japanese, and as well as silent Abacus tutorial also available. Please check that. Let's do another question. 328 divided by 4 is our another question. So place your question on the Abacus 3, 2 and 8. Okay, so you don't need to watch here. 4 divisor and 3 2 8. This is start. 3 is smaller than divisor, so you have to take 2 digits. 3 to 32. 32 divided by 4, your answer is 8. 4 8s are 32. You have to remove that dividend. And next is 8. 8 divided by 4, your answer is 2. 4 2s are 8. And our question is finished. And this is our answer. And our answer is always finished on marked dot. But here, if you mistake to take position correctly, or if you mistake to place answer correctly, and then your answer also going to be incorrect. Okay, so please check my basic rules explained episode how to take place and how to place your answer. Okay, and your answer is 8 to 82. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment me, and next episode, next questions or next techniques. See you then. Tata, bye bye.